Hi friends, I'm so excited about this, and I have Christian over here in the background. This is my package from Spoonflower.com, and it comes in just this little package, and what this is a swatch of fabric, and it's just basic cotton fabric, an 8x8 swatch, and it's fabric designed from one of the paintings that I made. And those are those acrylic pour paintings that are super easy. If you haven't seen it yet, check out some of my videos on it. But I want to see this with you guys on camera, and I want Christian to see it too, because I'm super excited about just another possibility of being able to make money from designs, and also just being able to use my own fabric. So I want to do this, and then I want to show you guys how I did it. So, dun, dun, dun. Okay, so it comes like this from Spoonflower. Thanks so very much for your order. Order date was 11/9. It shipped on the 13th, and I just got it today on the 26th. But there is a lot of stuff going on in our country. Well, I guess not a lot of stuff, but there's fires and stuff like that. So I wasn't too worried about it. It comes from Durham, North Carolina. It cost me $5 and $1 for shipping. There's the swatch that I should be getting. It's from my pour painting called Agathea. It comes with a thank you card from your friends at Spoonflower. Wash your fabric first. See the care instructions. Then it has spoonflower.com, tells you all about them. Whenever I upload this design and put it for sale, it also puts it on the Roostery, which is home goods like pillows and stuff like that. And then Sprout Patterns, they can buy the fabric on this website for the patterns that they're trying to download too. So once you upload it on the Spoonflower, it actually goes to 2 different places. It's really exciting. Oh my gosh, that is so cool, you guys. It comes with a little barcode, and what is that piece that you call that everybody cuts off?
Are you talking to me?
I'm just talking out loud. But if you know what it is, that'd be cool. Oh, it's really nice, you guys. I hope this is able to capture it. I'll include a little video of the painting as well, so you can see how close they match up. But that is so pretty, and it will make such a pretty big piece. Also a really pretty fat quarter. Oops. I'm super excited. And then there's no bleed through on the back. That is dark, but it's not bled. That'll probably change when we wash it. It'll probably bleed a little bit. That's okay. It's really nice. So I can build up my supply of swatches. Oh, and how ironic. Look, it's a heart.
It's cool.
Oh, I love it. That makes me so happy. Oh, now I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, so next I can get a swatch of the satin, I think, is next, and then you just keep going up. They have I think that it's like 26 different kinds of fabrics that you can turn your designs into. So you can do this for yourself, for quilting, for making fashion and stuff like that, or you can, bags or whatever. It's so cool. Yeah, so excited. I know I'm all over the place. I'm just so tickled. What do you think, Christian?
I think it's really cool. I think that would be really cool to see the original painting and that side by side.
Oh, I'll go get the painting. Hold on.
Okay. You could always edit out this part.
I have every intention of it, because I go through the house. Okay. Let's try to match it up. Well, it's not going to exactly match up because of the mirroring that it did. But this is the pink area over here. And this is that heart part.
Oh, I see. They mirrored it right there.
I zoomed in. There we go. So that's like right about where it mirrors, I guess. Yep. So that's the little mountain, basically. And then there's all the green webbing, the green thunder, or lightning, I mean. I called it pink lightning whenever I first did it, and then I realized that it's not pink.
It's actually a really cool one. I like that one.
Yeah, I love this painting. So I'm really excited about this because we can turn this into pillows, any kind of fabric, whatever. And it's the painting that literally took me 3 minutes, and I think the total cost of the whole entire painting was less than $6. So for all of that, and then to be able to forever continuously use the designs in fabric and wallpaper and gift wrap and I'm so excited. So I am going to get off of here, but go on to spoonflower.com, check it out, and tomorrow morning I'm going to record a video about how I did this and how we can do another one. Alrighty, talk to you guys later. Bye.